today I'm going to be inducing with some Chhinkni. I think I heard of this from Cara Diversus. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. But he's one of my favorite fetish YouTubers for sneezing, and yeah, it works really well. And I usually save it for me and my boyfriend, but we just ordered some more, so I think I can spare a little bit. Okay. And I thought maybe I'd talk a little bit about myself in this video. I'm not gonna give away like too much that would be like indicative of who I am. But I can tell you like little bits and pieces about myself. Okay. Chhinkni is definitely much better to induce with than anything else. At least that's what me and my boyfriend have figured out. A little definitely goes a long way. You just have to like, ooh, it tickles. You just have to take like a teensy bit, like the directions say, like a pea-sized amount, and yeah. Ooh. We usually do more than a pea because we're really greedy, and me and my boyfriend, he's also into the fetish, and he really likes like really drawn out sneezing fits, and so do I. And he used to have really bad allergies, but he grew out of that. Ooh, and sorry, oh yeah, it tickles, but I'm gonna try and hold back. Probably not gonna be good. Chhinkni's a lot more effective for me than it is for him. I take allergy pills. Ooh, it tickles. Oh, and he grew out of his allergies, so he doesn't have to take them anymore. Ooh. Ooh, I have my finger under my nose. Ooh, trying to hold back. Ooh, I'm probably gonna let out like one or two. Ooh. Ooh. Excuse me. Ooh, okay. Anyway, he had really bad allergies when we first met, and he grew out of them. It's been years since we first met each other, and he grew out of them, which sucks. I mean, it's good for him, but bad for the fetish. Ooh, and I don't really have bad allergies, just stuff that like makes my head hurt, and that's no fun. I categorize sneezing as fun, but it really is. It's a really unique fetish, and I love being a part of the fetish community. And I debated making videos like this for a while. I'm gonna do a little bit more chicken. But yeah, I debated doing videos for a while because I really like watching videos, and I don't know. I mean, I consider myself a kind of creative person, but I'm not good at making videos. Just try and talk to the camera like it's my friend. I think that's the best way it works. And I know that sounds really weird. Ooh, that's too much. I know it sounds really weird, but that's what makes it easy for me to talk right now. Oh, ooh, this is a lot. Okay. Ooh, alright, here we go. Ooh. See, the thing with Chhinkni is once you get started, it's hard to stop. So as I like hold back, it makes it easier to not sneeze, but if I sneeze, ooh. Ooh, it's hard. Oh god. Ooh. 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 Oh. Ooh. Wow, that's a lot. Oh, wow. Ooh, that works really well. Ooh, it's messy. It's really messy. Oh no. Ooh. Ooh, see, that's the thing. Ooh, They're really, ooh, really wet and powerful. Wow. Okay. Ew. Oh, that was a weird one. Sorry. Ew. Oh. Ugh. Oh, God. Ew. Everything's all wet. Ooh. Ugh, God. Ew. Oh. Oh, really? Oh, it's hard to stop, like I said. Ew. Ooh, okay. Ooh. Ew. Ooh. 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 Gosh. Ugh. Ooh. Okay. Ugh. I think I'm good. Sorry, I get. Oh, hold on. Phew. Ooh. Okay, cycle that one. Ooh. Sorry, I didn't get to do a lot of talking. Oh, but like I said, when Chhinkni gets you, ooh, it's hard to stop. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. I think I'm done. Ooh, that was bad. In a good way. Okay. Well. Ooh. Okay. I guess I'll just leave you with. I really recommend Chhinkni. It works super well. And you can get it on eBay. You can get it on this like health for wealth website, I think, or wealth for health. I don't really know, something like that. But it's like $25 for 5 vials there, and on eBay it's like $8 for 3 vials. So I just get it on eBay, and ooh, excuse me, the health website rarely has it in stock. Like a fetish YouTuber told me that's like pointed out that that's where they get their Chhinkni, and I was literally waiting for months, and they never came back in stock. So I found another link from another fetish YouTuber for it on eBay, and it's awesome. Shipping's really fast, and it works. It works wonderfully. Oh, it's a lot better than any other inducing method that me and my boyfriend have ever tried. It works awesome. mm. And the last thing I could say is that I hope you guys like my videos, and I can take requests. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, anyway, I can take requests. I do have a job, and I do go to college. So if my video uploads aren't consistent or as frequent as you guys would hope, I'm sorry. I'm going to try my best, because now that it's summertime and I'm off from school until about August, I should be able to get some consistent videos. It all depends on like how often I'm alone, because I do still live at home. I commute to college, so it all depends on how often I am alone. And whenever I'm alone, I will make videos for you guys. Okay, so you can just email me. I used to have a kick. I don't have one. I might make one again.